Hi, so want to learn about abacus? So it is the ancient calculating tool. That is the first calculating tool invented, and we use it. We used to use the abacus tool for the calculation. So this is our tool. What we are going to use, the Japanese system of tools, Soroban tool. So uh, this is called the outer frame. This is called the outer frame of the tool, and these are called the lower beads and these are called the upper beads, and each value of the lower bead is 1. Each of the value of the lower bead is 1 and each of the value of the upper bead is 1. Now, we are going to see how we are going to operate the tool. So, we are going to use the left hand thumb finger for the addition of lower bead. Addition of lower bead means you are moving these beads towards the value bar. The center rod is called the value bar. Okay. And these white things are called the rods. Okay. Now the black marked dots, the black marked circles are called the unit dots. Okay. So this is called the unit dot. This is also called the unit dot. This is also called the unit dot. Even this is the unit dot. Even this is the unit dot. Now we are going to see how to add. So the lower beads, if you're going to push it towards the value bar, then we are going to use our left hand thumb finger. That is, so to add 1, we are making 1. Now this is 2. Now this is 3. This is 4. Then to remove this 4, we are using the to subtract, take away these beads, lower beads away from the value bar. We are using our left hand index finger. Next. Now to move this upper beat, to move each of these upper beat towards the value bar, we will use the left hand index finger. Again, we will use the to move away these beats, to move away the upper beats from the value bar, we will use the left hand index finger. So I repeat again. So for addition of lower beats, that is pushing the lower beat towards the value bar, we use the left hand thumb finger. Taking away the taking away the lower beat away from the value bar, taking away the lower beat from the value bar, we use the left hand index finger and moving and to push the upper beat towards the value bar, we use the left hand index finger and to take away the upper beat from the value bar, we use the left hand index finger. Now we use the pinch in method. Pinch in method means bringing both the lower beat and upper beat together to both the fingers. This is called pinch in method. And taking away from the value bar together, taking away the upper beat and the lower beat from the value bar is called pinch out. So this is about general usage of the tool. Now we will see about the addition without complement. So it is 1 plus 1, 2. Now take it out. Now we will see for the 3-digit addition. I mean, 3 numbers, 3 row addition, 3 row single digit addition. So 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 2, 9. If you take both the beats together, it is called 2. Now remove this 4 and remove this 9, 5. Now very important too, it is very important to clear the operation, to clear the tool before every operation. So addition without complements, nothing but just adding the numbers as casually, that's all. So for example, if you're taking 3 beats together, it is 3. Now 3 plus 1 is 4. Now 4 plus 5 is 9. Now take away. Now let me do the 2-digit addition. So 2-digit addition is 11 plus 55. Bring down this 5, bring down this 5. Again plus 22. So this gives you 88. Now this is about 2-digit addition without complement. Now this is the ones place, the tenth place, and the hundredth place, and it goes. Now let us see a three-digit number 22, 235 plus 153. The answer becomes 388. So this is just adding the beats without any complement. You can directly add this in your book. So this is about the first module. Thank you.